Wesley. Who is this little handsome puppy? This is Brad. Brad, don't you love to sleep with Wesley? Brad is very comfortable with young children. He's a little shy, but you can see he's pretty relaxed when my son is loud. And he's not so much of Wesley's sudden big movement. Yeah? He just needs some more training and socializing.
This is my dog.
That's your dog?
Yes.
Oh, really? Doesn't look a doll. And who's this little handsome puppy here?
Red.
Yeah. He's only close to about 2.5 months, and he's really good. He's house trained already. We give him a pee pad, but he doesn't really need it. He could sleep through the night and wait till the morning to go to the bathroom. What a good puppy.